Hi, I'm Jacqueline, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at a week in grade 1. Start the clock. Monday started with unity as we all returned to school after a restful weekend. The virtue of this week, service. Tuesday, we had fun and music, performing rhythms and melodies using a range of subjects with enthusiasm. Wednesday, we showed our determination and commitment while learning a range of new skills in PE. Thursday, everyone was excited to be working on our very creative finger puppet projects in art. Friday was the end to another busy week, where we finished by once again enjoying another of Miss Nichols' virtual assemblies before heading home. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Jacqueline, and we'll see you again next time.